Welcome back to Giant Machines, the home of unstoppable engineering, colossal horsepower, and mechanical legends. Today, we dive deep into the world of the 10 largest, most powerful machines ever built by CNH Industrial, the powerhouse behind Case IH and New Holland. These machines don't just work the land, they dominate it. Massive engines, cutting-edge technology, record-breaking strength. This is CNH Industrial at full force. Strap in tight, because when these giants roar, the earth doesn't move, it obeys. The Steiger 785 Quadtrac is not just a tractor. It is Case IH's ultimate statement of dominance in high-horsepower agriculture. With its 16 8-liter FPT, industrial diesel engine producing up to 853 horsepower. This machine moves effortlessly across the toughest terrain. Its Quadtrac system minimizes soil compaction while maximizing traction, allowing it to pull massive tillage tools, 18-meter cultivators, and enormous implements without pause. Equipped with advanced AFS guidance and auto steering, it achieves precision, even in the largest fields. Every track imprint is a testament to raw power and human engineering, making it not just a machine, but a force that conquers continents. The AF11 is Case IH's dual-rotor combine designed to tackle extreme yields with surgical precision, boasting a 775 HP turbocharged diesel engine and a massive 567 bushel grain tank. Its 12-meter harvesting width and dual rotors allow it to thresh and separate crops with minimal loss. While working tirelessly from sunrise to sunset, watching the AF11 in action is like witnessing a predator on the hunt. Smooth, precise, and unstoppable, devouring acres of crops in mere hours with industrial efficiency. The CR11 represents the pinnacle of New Holland technology, powered by a 775 HP cursor engine and equipped with a 45,000-liter grain tank and an unloading rate up to 5. It excels in extreme acreage farms and high-throughput operations, utilizing integrated sensors and telemetry to monitor yield and efficiency in real time. This combine doesn't just move crops, it devours entire fields, leaving no stalk behind, and transforms long harvesting days into productive triumphs. The AF10 may not wear the crown, but it embodies resilience and reliability. Powered by a 725 HP engine with a 500 bushel grain tank. Its dual rotor threshing system allows it to harvest large fields with precision, while its durable design and ergonomic operator cab ensure peak performance in sun, rain, or mud. The AF10 never asks if it can do the job. It simply executes flawlessly day after day, field after field. The AF9 delivers high efficiency without compromise, running on a 645 HP engine with a single large rotor and a 450 bushel grain tank. It is renowned for reliability, minimal downtime, and the ability to handle both small grains and specialty crops with precision, though it may not be the tallest machine in the lineup. The AF9 is a steadfast workhorse, dependable and precise in every harvesting season, The Steiger 715 Quadtrac is engineered for extreme pulling power with its 16.8L FPT, industrial engine delivering 765 HP. The Quadtrac system provides unmatched traction even in mud, clay, or soft soil, while integrated GPS and auto steering ensure full field coverage with minimal overlap. Built for endurance, this tractor can operate for 16+ hours a day at peak performance, leaving every pass as a deliberate imprint of strength and precision on the earth. The Steiger 645 blends strength and reliability with its 625 HP FPT industrial diesel engine and heavy-duty chassis capable of handling extreme loads. It is ideal for large farms requiring consistent performance and can tow oversized implements across miles of fields without strain. This tractor doesn't boast, it simply performs flawlessly, earning its place as a trusted giant of the field. The CR10 provides performance and endurance in equal measure, powered by a 634 HP cursor engine with a 13.00-liter grain tank and an unloading rate of 4.5 It is versatile across all soil types, from sandy loam to heavy clay, and features an air-conditioned cab with advanced controls for operator comfort during long harvesting days. The CR10 transforms laborious hours into efficient harvesting action, clearing acres with precision and reliability. The Magnum 385 is built for speed, power, and adaptability, running on a 405 HP diesel engine with CVX drive transmission for smooth, efficient power delivery. Designed for large-scale row crop operations, it excels in planting, spraying, and hauling, handling slopes, wet fields, and tight turns with agility. It is a force that moves like lightning across acres of crops, combining strength, speed, and precision. The Magnum 355 is the versatile backbone of modern farming, delivering 355 HP with fuel efficiency and durability for extended shifts, ideal for medium to large-scale operations. It performs field work and towing tasks with equal reliability, combining comfort, agility, and power. The Magnum 355 ensures that every operation runs smoothly, making it an indispensable giant on the farm. And that concludes our cinematic journey through the 10 largest, most powerful machines ever built by CNH Industrial. From the earth-shaking Steiger 785 Quadtrac to the crop-devouring AF11 and CR11 combines, these giants represent the pinnacle of agricultural engineering. Each one demonstrates raw power, precision, and reliability in ways few machines can match. These are more than machines. They are legends of the field. If you enjoyed this tour of mega machines, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This is Giant Machines, where horsepower becomes history.